Let's hop on over to the business side of robotics with one of our most crucial aspects of marketing, social media. Rams Robotics uses social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and Discord to connect with those in and out of the STEAM community. We use our Instagram for promoting events and sponsors, as well as posting meet the teams, competition recaps, and fun, relatable reels. We use our YouTube for STEAM education and longer videos. We currently have 2 YouTube short series talking about beginner and advanced FTC material. And thirdly, we run the unofficial Ontario FTC Discord server. If you want to join, the link is in our biography. Check us out at Rams Robotics on every social media platform to stay updated.